Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to install Windows without CD, without USB. You need these two software, Windows Image and Refuse. Link of these two software is available on the description. You can do it on Windows 10 and Windows 11, anyone you have. Without delay, let's start. Click on Start menu, Disk Management, Action, Create VHD, Browse, find a C drive. Here create one folder, right click, new, write one name like VHD, file name VHD, save. File name is also VHD, save. Select GB, 10 gig is enough, right here 10, okay. Here OneDrive is created, it is 10 gig. Click here, initialize disk, okay. Right click in this drive, new sample value, next, next, next. You can change the volume label like UVHD, close it, open Refuse. Link of Refuse is available on the description. We create this drive and this drive is detected automatically with Refuse. Come to select, find Windows ISO, it is Windows 10, open. You can do it with Windows 11 also. If you want, you can change this name, start. I recommend to check all, okay, again, okay, okay. This step will take a few moments to copy all ISO file on the drive we created before. It is finished, close it, open File Explorer, this PC. Now you can install Windows because this drive is ready to install. You can see the Windows bootable logo. Okay, open this drive, find setup, double click on setup. Yes. Do you want to allow this app? Yes. Install Windows 10. Next. Getting update, checking for update. Look, I don't have internet. It will get all the update from ISO, applicable and lessons. Accept. Here you have three options: keep personal files and apps, keep personal files only, nothing. You can select anyone you want. I select nothing, everything will delete it. Okay, next. Please wait, make sure you are ready to install. Yes, this step will take some time. Here also you can change the setting. If you click here, again this step will repeat. Next, install. Installing Windows 10. Your PC will restore several times. United States, okay. Yes. Keyboard layout is US, okay. Escape. I don't have internet. Continue with limit step. Username, password, confirm password, answer these three questions. Accept, accept. Now it is successfully installed. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good time. See you soon.